Trigger Devils. Shoot faster.
What's up, guys? Hank and Friends here. Sorry you see the fan in the background. I want to talk to you guys today. If you don't see, I'm wearing my Trigger Devils t-shirt. Got Trigger Devils t-shirt on right now, alongside with Trigger Devils and another pair of Trigger Devils right here. So we got Trigger Devils, two sets of Trigger Devils right here. First pair was not working. I had to work on them. Had some advice from one of the workers from Trigger Devils. Told me to do some working on it. Got them working, but they sent me another pair. I went and a few weeks back I went and got a new controller for my PlayStation 4. Well, for some reason that controller, the running button wasn't working great. So I went back, I called them first, and I was like, "Hey, I got this this controller, camouflage controller, a couple weeks ago, and it's not working well." I go back today, and they said, "Well, here, we'll let you choose from any controller you want." So I choose the gold one. I had a lot of options to choose from: black, blue, red, green camouflage, another camouflage, and the gold one. So I choose the gold one. Well, I received yesterday my other pair of Trigger Devils, and I slapped these on. And I'm going to tell you, as soon as I slapped these on, I didn't have to have work on anything at all. Everything's good. It works great. Also, got something new to talk to you guys about. And the latest trend is fidget spinners, and I got some fidget spinners right here. And yeah, I don't know what about these are cool, but they're fun to play with. I like them. I recommend you guys getting some fidget spinners. I got mine from eBay. I don't like going into giveaways and stuff to try to get them, especially with that Codename Black or whatever his name is. Yeah, Codename Black HD scammer, by the way. If you guys actually want some Trigger Devils, you can get them from eBay for like $3, guys. $3, not that much money. So I recommend you guys going to eBay and buying your Trigger Devils, not Trigger Devils, but buying your fidget spinners. If you want Trigger Devils, there's a code in the description. Use my code Hank and go to triggerdevil.com, buy your first pair of Trigger Devils. But these fidget spinners are amazing. They're awesome. They are. Who buys them? Buy them now! Hurry! Don't wait long. Ooh. They're like a chain reaction too. I believe if you, I don't know, you have to do it exact point, but fidget spinners, guys. I got a red and I got a white one. There's like a black, pink, all these other colors. My sister has them. But these are definitely something you guys should get. They're awesome. They help with stress, especially me, how I rage online a lot. So I recommend you guys go and get some fidget spinners online today. These are awesome. And also do stack two on top of each other. I think they're awesome. I think they're awesome. Now, 5 minutes, nothing but stirring at them. Ooh, fidget spinners! Work, damn you. Fuck. You also can put them on any surface, like, you know, I got a phone right here, you get a phone right here, you can just tack that bitch on and spin it on your phone. Woo! Also fun. Very fun. Oh fuck, shit, god, oh no, fuck. Fidget spinners, you mean the world to me. I like you and you like me. Oh yeah, fidget's the best thing. Buy your first pair of the fidget spinners on eBay, please. Thank you guys for watching. I'll talk to you guys soon. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Don't forget to fuck charcoal and use propane and keep it real. I'll talk to you guys later. Fidget out.